Hello. Hello, hello, hello. 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 Okay, here I am. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hello. Hello, hello. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you how I'm going to put the little seeds in the eggshells. Now, I've never done this before. I've just stuck them in, the traditional seed trays and thrown them outside into the greenhouse, which I didn't do that last year ever before either. So that was my first time I've done that. But I'm going to do this year. My tomato plants didn't really do good because we have really crappy soil, even though I had bought organic ground and stuff like that. So I'm going to try it with the eggshell with a little bit more calcium and nutrition for it. So are you ready? Let's do it. Let's do it. And seeing that our social distancing is really tough on me here, we have Miss Kennedy's new gardening gloves that we bought. So she'll be here in spirit helping Nana. So hopefully we can get past all this chaos and stuff, and then we can get back to gardening together. But for now, here she is. I'll put her right over here next to the cleaning spray. See, there she's going to sit right there next to the cleaning spray. Yeah, see? Okay. All right. So you ready? So this is what we're going to do. My crooked, you're crooked. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Just help me. Bear with me. Bear with me. This indoor stuff is crazy. Crazy being indoors. Hi, dirty boys. Hi, dirty boys. Hi, dirty. You gonna help me garden to this year, huh, in the house? Okay. All right. So I think you guys can see pretty good. All right. We can see pretty good. So what I'm going to do this year, I'm going to do some little yellow ones. This looks nummy. And I'm going to put probably 2 in each eggshell just because I like to be overdone or over whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to do, these 2. I mean, I love the little bites. To me, it's just easier. I can keep them up on the porch. And then I'm going to put 2 in each eggshell here too, 1 on each side of the thing, so that I at least have 4 tomato plants. I don't need 17 tomato plants. I just don't. So, all right. And then I mixed some stuff here. I got dirt here, I took some from a bucket and the garden box. And then I bought a bag of Start Food, organic stuff. And I mixed it all up in here. I mean, I don't need a lot, but this is going to be for all my starter. So, okay. So what we're going to do is going to take one of these, go over here, and then I'm just going to dump it in here like that, just a little bit, because you got to fill a little bit more, like that. Kind of. And then I'm going to cut the seed thing open. Gonna help Miss Kennedy? There you go. Let's put your stuff right there. All right. I'm gonna get a couple of these out, I think. Possibly. Whoa, them buggers are tiny. Holy macaroni. All right. So I may not just get 2 at a time. Maybe I'll do like a couple. I can always pull them apart. Okay, so technically that's 4. Boy, Dell. 4. Golly, I should have brought a tweezers. Oh, wait a minute. I got a tweezers. Huh, hang on. Be right back. All right. Okay. I'm back. Got a tweezers. Look at that. All right. Then I'm going to put them in there. Like that. Oofma. Okay. Now, obviously, when they come up, you can be ever so gentle and, you know, put them in other containers or whatever. Just don't be so violent with them and they'll be fine. You know, they'll be all right. Okay. There's one. Now I got to remember what I did. And then I'm going to take a little more dirt. Take a little more dirt and cover it up. Here. Okay, see? So I'm gonna, those are the yellow ones. I might even write on here, what did I do with my marker? Here. What I'll do to make sure I remember what these are is I'm gonna write on here the yellow, Y, and then T. So yellow tomato, that'll work. That'll work. Yep. And then I'm going to do it again. Get some more here. All right. Put it in here. It feels so weird gardening in the house. Let me tell you, it just is, actually feels weirder without Miss Kennedy. So, yeah, totally weirder without Miss Kennedy, if that's even a sentence. All right, and then I'm going to get some more of the seeds. Well, that's 2. Ah! Okay, well, wow. Okie dokie, they just come flying right out of there. And that one took off. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, and then this one goes, wow. All right, you guys. That one will go there. That one will go there. And that one will go there. We'll put you back in here. Good grief. Oh, there's one. All right, back in there. All right, I'm done with those. Okay, put that over here for now. Whoops. Ugh. Yeah. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, I opened up the apple spice one this time. Ooh, that smells good. All right. Now let's do, oh, I got to put some more dirt on top of there. Okay. So, get the idea? Right? Right? Get the idea? Okay. So then just go, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do these next in 2 more. And then I'll take these 4 here and then put those tomato plants in there. And not to drown them in there, because you don't really want a lot of water in there, you know, otherwise it'll like swim and drown. So what I'm going to do is I have a little dollar spray bottle, you know, from the dollar store, fill it up with water. And I'm just going to spray it 3 or 4 times, you know, each day. And then they'll just go from there. So, yeah. And then I was going to show you, you come with me here for a second. I'm going to show you where I'm going to actually put everything. So after this whole container here is in there, I have a, you know, those totes, you know, the under the bed totes that you can get. Holy cow. I found both of those, $5 each at Goodwill. Score. And the covers. So for $10, I mean, those things are really expensive. They're in like fabulous shape. Okay, so anyway, I am going to take this table here and I'm going to take all the pictures off. Isn't that cute? Those are Miss Kennedy's feet 2 years ago. I did that for Christmas. I put that all together. And so I'm going to take all these pictures and put them away. Oofma. Dust them first. And I'm going to put them away. And then I'm going to take that tote and lay it on here. And then I'm going to find a piece of plastic, clear plastic, see-through plastic, something, so that I can leave water, cups of water in there, and then cover it so that when the sun comes down, it'll warm it up and kind of like incubate it and give it a little bit more moisture and stuff. So that should really help, kick it in and getting them growing. Okay? All right. See you guys later. Thanks for joining me. Okay. Love you. Bye. Stay safe.